What's up, my CurlyNistas? A long time no see. Your girl's been recovering, but I am back. And I am back with this wig, honey. Yes, look at this. So this video is brought to you by the company called Barsadar. So I'm gonna show you guys the box, of course. Let's get into it really quick. Y'all already know they come with a whole bunch of goodies like this comb, which you can use to comb out the hair. You've got the small side, you've got the bigger side. And then of course, it does come with this fishnet capping that you can put on your hair, just in case you have like that long flowy hair just like this, but you choose to put a wig on, honey, that cap's gonna hold you down, okay? And then it also comes with their nice manual, which I absolutely love. So it shows you how to wash, how to take care of the hair, what to do with the hair, how to put the wig on and so forth, honey, okay? So now that we've got into the goodies, baby, let's get into this wig because this wig is absolute fire. I am so here for it. The colors is phenomenal. Like y'all see, I put this wig on today and I've got a ton of compliments, baby. Now she does not a little bit, very little, as you can see. I ran my fingers right through it. But other than that, she is so beautiful. Full bang right here. So if you want, you can cut it to your liking. You can wear a long bang like so, or you could probably split her down the middle and that would be cute too. But I'm not really a middle part girly. I like to do the whole side part thing because I just think that that looks really cute. But she's super flowy, very beautiful, and I'm here for this two-tone color. Y'all, she is a long and beautiful. So for me, she comes right up to the chest area like so. And in the back, I'll turn around and show you guys what she's looking like so you guys can see that. So I hope this helped. Until next time, guys. Bye.